Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how to have a bright, beautiful white smile. If you have yellow teeth, don't worry. I am going to show you how to give your teeth an amazing brightness in just a few minutes. So first off, you need aloe vera gel. Well, aloe vera plant, and you need to get the gel out of the plant. And you guys know I love aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel on my face, on my skin, and I even drink aloe vera juice. I just love aloe vera gel, okay? So you need the fresh one, not the artificial one, but the fresh one. Go ahead and use a knife or a spoon and scrape the gel out of your plant and just put it in a bowl and just keep doing it until you get enough gel, as much as you want. I know a lot of you may be like, what does aloe vera gel has to do with teeth whitening? I am going to put all the benefits of aloe vera gel on the screen, what it can do to your mouth and especially to your teeth. Secondly, you will need baking soda, and as we all know, baking soda is amazing for teeth whitening. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. I have always used baking soda. I don't care what kind of toothpaste I'm using. Baking soda is always the first one I dip my toothbrush in before I brush my teeth. So go ahead and mix both ingredients together and just put them on the side, and then we are going to go to the next ingredient. But hey, I add a little bit more of baking soda just to make it a little bit more thicker, make it look like a toothpaste, should I say. So yeah, and then you will need coconut oil. And if you don't know, coconut oil is also amazing for teeth whitening. I am going to put on the screen all the benefits of coconut oil. You don't have to mix it in your toothpaste that we just made. Just take a spoonful of coconut oil, put it in your mouth, and just juggle the coconut oil all over your mouth for like a few minutes, let's say 60 seconds, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. So just juggle this all over the place, and as you can see, my teeth are not very white, but you're gonna see the amazing result at the end. Once you're done juggling your oil, spit it out and take this mixture toothpaste that we just got done making and just start brushing your teeth all over. And I'm sorry, I was making a mess all over the place. I am sorry, guys, don't mind me. The aloe vera gel was just like gluing everywhere, and I was just like, oh my god. Oh my god. But go ahead and brush your teeth thoroughly, very well. Take your time, and then just rinse your mouth with some warm water. You can also rinse your mouth with apple cider vinegar if you want to, but I only use warm water. And that's it. You can do this 3 times a week, and your teeth are going to be so freaking white. So that's what I do almost every day. I always dip my toothpaste in my baking soda and aloe vera gel. And as you guys know, they always say if you have a red lipstick, your teeth are going to look whiter. So if you don't have all of these things, just use a red lipstick and your teeth will look whiter than they are. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and that's definitely what I have been using for ages and I love it. Thank you again, and I will see you guys on my next video. As always, take care. Bye bye.